already primed and set my eyelids. Now I'm taking SUVA Beauty's Neutral Necessity palette. I'm starting off with the shade Lockbridge and a SUVA 227 blending brush. And I'm applying that to the crease of my eyelids. Then with my Morphe M511 brush, I am softening out all of those edges. Then I'm adding more of Lockbridge to my crease with the SUVA 227, and then I go in and blend that out with my Morphe M511. Next, with NYX Jumbo Milk Pencil, I am applying that to the lid of my eye. And then I'm blending that out with my Firma Beauty 204 brush. So I just put down the white base so that the shade I'm putting over top is really going to pop and be the most vibrant it can be. Now I'm just repeating the same steps on my other eye, first with the pencil and then blending it out with the brush. Then I'm taking this flat shader brush from Bare Minerals with more of the shade Lockbridge, and I am packing that onto the lid. And then blending out the edges with my SUVA 227 brush. Now just repeating the same steps on my other eye. First packing it on. And then softening the edges. With the shade Shanghai Nights and my Morphe M511, I'm using that to blend out the edges in my upper crease area. Next, I'm taking the shade Prohibition Pub, which is a matte white, with my Firma Beauty 301 brush. I'm pretty sure this is a lip brush, but it's okay. I'm applying that to the inner corners of my eyes. Next, with my SUVA Beauty Hydra Liner in the shade Snow Queen. This is a matte shade. I am activating that with some MAC Fix Plus. And I'm using a super thin liner brush from the craft store. And I will be drawing a wing.
Invincible.
I was trying to keep it more on the smaller side because, just because I felt like it. Then I'm going to apply mascara off camera. These are House of Lashes Iconics. Next, using NYX Wonder Pencil, I'm applying that to my waterline. Then with a Japanesque smudge brush, in more of the shade Lockbridge from SUVA Beauty, I'm applying that to my lower lash line. Next, taking my NYX Color Mascara in the shade Coral Reef, I'm applying that to my lower lashes. I wasn't going to do any lower lash mascara, but I felt like, why don't I just do some colored mascara and it'll just blend in with the shadow. So this is the finished look, and thank you for watching. This is super springy, and if you recreate it, don't forget to tag me.